This is video number 8 of our series of 365 videos about technology, investments, startups, and sales. How to use webinars to make more sales. Webinars are awesome to create more sales because you get to talk to a massive number of people. You get to talk to hundreds of people at the same time. So you build a lot of trust by being live, by being there, by answering questions. When you're cold calling, when you're trying to sell on the internet using video sales ladders, for example, it's not the same as being in a presentation where people see your face, where you are talking to dozens or hundreds of people at the same time. When you are there, you are the authority, you are credible. People believe more in you because they are on the other part, they are on the other side of the table, they are the listeners. So the listeners, they are the ones that listen to the other people, and you as the authority there, you have the power to influence, to persuade. So this is very powerful to make more sales. And the beauty of that is that there are some technology, some systems, some software that you can actually automate the delivery of your webinar. So you can have many different presentations during the day, 24/7, that you seems to be there, but that's a recorded webinar that is making sales with time and time and time and time. So that's the tip for the day. This is video number 8. Subscribe to the channel. Awesome to be here. I will love if you have your questions here, your comments. So see you on the next video. Bye.